Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. The essential travel tips are destination for you today. It's the top 20, the ultimate travel checklist for 2025. Traveling in 2025 is more exciting than ever, with new destinations to explore, evolving travel technology, and fresh experiences waiting for you. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first big adventure, preparation is key to a smooth and stress-free journey. This ultimate travel checklist for 2025 covers everything you need to know, from pre-trip planning and packing essentials to safety tips and must-have travel apps. With new travel regulations, digital advancements, and sustainable travel trends, being well-prepared ensures you make the most of your trip while staying safe and comfortable. From visa requirements and travel insurance to packing smart and navigating local customs, this checklist will help you travel confidently, no matter where you go. So, pack your bags, charge your devices, and get ready to explore the world with ease. Let's dive in. Here's your top 20, the ultimate travel checklist for 2025. 1. Check passport and visa requirements. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Check visa requirements for your destination. Some countries require advanced visas, while others allow visa-free or visa-on-arrival entry. 2. Make copies of important documents. Have both digital and printed copies of your passport, visa, travel insurance, flight tickets, and hotel bookings, emergency contacts. Keep one copy in your luggage and another on your phone or email. 3. Get travel insurance. Covers medical emergencies, lost baggage, trip cancellations, and theft. Choose a policy that includes COVID-19 coverage and adventure sports if needed. 4. Inform your bank and set up international payment options. Notify your bank of your travel plans to avoid fraud alerts blocking your card. Bring multiple payment options, credit cards, debit cards, and some cash. Consider getting a travel-friendly credit card that offers no foreign transaction fees. 5. Download essential travel apps: Google Maps, Google Translate, XC Currency, Airline, and hotel apps, Uber, Bolt, or local ride apps. 6. Plan your itinerary, but stay flexible. Research the must-see attractions, tours, and hidden gems. Book must-do experiences in advance to avoid missing out. Keep a mix of structured activities and free time to explore spontaneously. 7. Check local weather and pack accordingly. Research the weather forecast for your entire stay. Pack layers if visiting a place with variable weather. Consider rain gear, hats, gloves, and sunscreen based on your location. 8. Research local customs and etiquette. Learn about cultural norms, dress codes, and tipping etiquette. Understand basic do's and don'ts. Learn a few local phrases like hello, thank you, and where's the bathroom? 9. Arrange airport transfers and local SIM cards. Research how to get from the airport to your accommodation. Consider airport transfers, shuttles, or ride-sharing apps in advance. Get a local SIM card or eSIM for data and calls. 10. Notify someone of your plans and set up emergency contacts. Share your itinerary with a friend or family member. Save emergency contacts on your phone, including local emergency services number, your country's embassy or consulate, your hotel hostel contact info. Packing essentials. 11. Pack light and smart. Use a carry-on if possible to avoid checked baggage fees. Stick to the 1-week rule. Pack for 7 days, even if your trip is longer. Use packing cubes to organize your luggage efficiently. Pack a mix of casual, comfortable, and formal outfits based on your trip type. 12. Carry a power bank and universal adapter. Check voltage compatibility in your destination. A universal travel adapter works in most countries. Bring a power bank to keep your phone charged on the go. 13. Bring a first aid kit and medications. Pack essentials like pain relievers, motion sickness pills, allergy meds, and personal prescriptions, band-aids, and antiseptic wipes. Check if you need vaccinations for your destination. 14. Have a secure travel wallet and anti-theft measures. Use an RFID blocking wallet to prevent card skimming. Carry a money belt or hidden pouch for important documents. Keep a small amount of local currency for taxis and tips. 15. Carry a reusable water bottle and travel snacks. Many airports now allow you to refill water bottles after security. Bring light snacks for long flights or train rides during your trip. 16. Stay aware of your surroundings and keep valuables safe. Be mindful of pickpockets, especially in crowded tourist areas. Use a crossbody bag with zippers instead of a backpack in busy areas. Don't flash cash, jewelry, or expensive gadgets. 17. Use local transportation. Smartly learn how to navigate public transportation. If using taxis, confirm fares in advance or use meter taxis. Download ride-sharing apps to avoid scams. 18. Try local cuisine, but be cautious. Eat where the locals go. Crowded places usually mean fresh food. Avoid street food with raw ingredients. Drink bottled or filtered water in places with questionable tap water. 19. Keep emergency contacts handy. Always carry a small paper copy of emergency contacts in case your phone dies. Learn how to say help in the local language. Know the location of the nearest hospital or pharmacy. 20. Enjoy the moment and be present. Take photos, but don't forget to soak in the experience. Interact with locals, learn new things, and embrace the adventure. Stay flexible and open to unexpected detours. They often make the best memories. Have a nice trip.